Hi, my name is Mia Elderson and I'm the founder of the Vlog Academy. I would like to invite you to my 2-week accountability course, which starts on the 29th of January. Now, this is a great opportunity to start vlogging with a bit of hand-holding and support from the Vlog Academy. If you really want to get going, but you're feeling apprehensive and fearful of getting in front of the camera, and you might be confused about the YouTube channel setup, and you also might feel that you don't really have a strategy and a plan in place, well, this is what we get clarity on in the group. The last training group we did was absolutely amazing. I was blown away with the progress the people involved were doing. They were really reluctant to go in front of the camera and do their vlogging, but thanks to the preparation we did and the tutorials, the workbook they got and the schedule, we got them to a point where they didn't just know that they should be vlogging for their business, but that they really enjoyed vlogging and they wanted to do it. So what an amazing progress to have, right? So if you're interested in doing the 2-week accountability course, this is a great opportunity to get on board because we have a massive offer for you this week. So please get in there and have a look, because you get the online crash course, you get an in-person YouTube session with me, you get loads of tutorials and preparation, and you get a 6-month membership to the Vlog Lounge online. So why not make the most of 2018 and get going with your vlogging? Let me know if you have any questions. All the information is in the information link below, and I really hope to see you within our group.